Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen lasagna. First, gather all your ingredients, including several packs of ramen noodles, your preferred sauce, and plenty of cheese. Next, boil the ramen noodles for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly firm, then drain them well. Finally, prepare any fillings you plan to use, such as cooked ground beef or sautéed vegetables. Now, let's start layering. Begin by spreading a thin layer of your sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Then, carefully arrange a single layer of your slightly firm ramen noodles over the sauce. Follow this with a layer of your cooked filling, like seasoned ground meat, and a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese. Repeat these layers until your dish is full. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: after making a big batch of ramen lasagna, you'll want to store leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once assembled, cover your ramen lasagna with aluminum foil and bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the layers to set, making for easier and cleaner serving. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.